Hey there guys, Chet here. What is the one tool that separates a struggling carpet cleaning business from a professional, booked, solid company? It is not your cleaning machine or your van. It is your software. The right software, or CRM, helps you manage your customers, send professional quotes, and get paid faster. But the wrong one can be a huge waste of money. Today we're going to compare three of the most talked about platforms in the home service industry: Mark8, Jobber, and Quote IQ. And we'll find out which one actually gives you the best value for your business. And by the way, if you decide to go with Quote IQ, at the end of this video, make sure to use that link that I've put in the description, because we've partnered with them to give you something very special: a free one-time white glove onboarding session plus full contact importing to help you get up and running fast. Now, this bonus is only available through that link, so don't miss it. And let's get back to the video. So let's start our comparison with a tool that a lot of new business owners look at first, which is Mark8. The main reason Mark8 gets so much attention is because its starting price looks very cheap, beginning at around $39 a month. Now, for that price, it does give you some very solid basic features. It is a simple platform that can help you send estimates and invoices, and for someone just starting out, it can seem like a good deal. It allows you to get organized without a big upfront cost. But here's the problem with Mark8's approach. You only get the very basic tools with that cheap starting price. If you want the features that actually help you save time and grow your business, like automations or better reporting, you have to keep paying extra for each individual add-on. That cheap monthly subscription can then suddenly become very expensive. It's also missing some of the most important features that help you scale your business, like advanced lead tracking and a system for getting more online reviews. So while it does seem like a budget-friendly option at first, the reality is that you will likely outgrow it very quickly and end up paying more for less power over time. Next up is the biggest name in the service industry, Jobber. I'm sure that you've heard of them. They spend a ton of money on advertising, so they're everywhere. And yes, it is a very solid and well-built platform. It has good tools for scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and some decent automation features. If you are running a larger business with a lot of employees, their team management tools can be extremely helpful. But here's the major problem with Jobber for a carpet cleaning business, especially if you're new or trying to grow. They charge a premium price for their software. There's no free version at all, only a short 14-day free trial, and after that, you're locked into a paid plan. Their cheapest plan is limited and has fewer features than Quote IQ offers for free. To get the features you really need, you are going to be paying more than $100 per month for just one user. And if you want more users, that price jumps up to almost $200 a month. That's a huge expense for a growing business, and you end up paying for a lot of features that you might not even need yet. It feels like a big platform built for big companies with big budgets, not the average carpet cleaning pro. This brings us to Quote IQ. Now, this platform gets a lot of attention because it was built specifically for home service businesses by people who have actually run home service businesses themselves. They understand what owners really need, and they built their software to solve real-world problems without forcing you to spend a fortune. The first big difference you'll notice is the pricing model and the incredible value that you'll get. While Quote IQ does not have a free forever plan, it does offer a free trial for you to test everything out. But the real story is in its paid plans, which are designed to be extremely affordable for the power they provide. Their beginner plan gets you started for just $29.99 a month. Their most popular plan is $79.99 a month and adds key automations, and their top elite plan with every feature included is just $149.99 a month. Now, when you compare this to the competition, it is clear that Quote IQ gives you more features that help you win jobs for a much lower and more transparent price. But the real reason to choose Quote IQ is for its exclusive features that are designed to help you make more money. First, it has the free review multiplier. No other CRM does this. After a customer pays their invoice, it automatically sends them to your Google review page. This simple step makes it very easy for your happy customers to leave you 5-star reviews. We all know that more reviews means a higher ranking on Google and more new customers calling you. Then there is the Map Measure Pro feature. Now, this lets you measure properties and rooms remotely using a satellite map, and it is fully connected to your pricing. This means that you can create instant accurate quotes in just a few minutes without ever even having to drive to the job site. This feature alone will save you a huge amount of time every week. And then finally, there's InstaQuote and InstaSchedule. This feature lets you put a quoting calculator right on your website. Your customers can go to your site, enter their information, quote themselves based on your pricing, and even upsell themselves by choosing your different packages and add-ons. Then they can schedule the job based on your real-time calendar availability. Jobber does not have this. Mark8 does not have this. The only way to get a feature like this with another CRM is to pay for an extra separate software that can cost hundreds of dollars each month. With Quote IQ, it's all included. So to wrap this up, Mark8 is cheap to start, but everything useful costs extra and you will just outgrow it fast. Jobber is a solid platform, but it is way too expensive for most growing businesses. And then there's Quote IQ. It offers the most value for your money, and more importantly, it has exclusive features like the review multiplier and InstaQuote that are designed to actually grow your business, not just manage it. So if you're serious about growing your carpet cleaning business, Quote IQ is the only CRM that gives you all the tools that you actually need without draining your bank account. So if you're ready to start winning more jobs with a more powerful sales tool, don't forget to use that link in the description to get that free white glove onboarding session with Quote IQ. All right, that's it for this showdown. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.